Welcome to my channel Business and Investment Hub. Today's video is about 5 best affiliate networks 2021, and all of these are the best affiliate networks for beginners in 2021. Choosing the right affiliate network can really help you make a lot of money because it helps you give trust and build trust with the people you are promoting your product. So choosing the right affiliate network is really important because the right network has right products, right and valuable products for your customers. And when you promote those type of products and services, you actually build trust with your customers, and by doing so you build a long-term relationship which brings you a lot of money each and every year and for years to come. We have curated the best list, so watch the video till the end. Now I will jump onto my screen so that you can make huge money with your efforts. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first in our list is Evan. It's previously known as Affiliate Window, but is now acquired by Zenox a few years ago. This network has over 13,000 active advertisers and 100k publishers affiliates. It's founded in Germany, and Evan merchants primarily are from Europe, especially from Great Britain, and also merchants from US is also present in the network. And this network is established in 2000, and it has over 1600 brands across 77 sectors in 11 territories around the world. So it is a great network. As you can see here that last year 915 million are earned by the affiliates. So in this video actually we are providing you some unique affiliate networks which is not so much crowded, so that you can be accepted quickly and you can start making money, because actually they have extreme and good relation with quality brands. So when you promote quality brands with the customers and the people to whom you are advertising and to whom you are promoting your blog, the visitors which are coming to your blog, so when you promote quality product, actually you build trust. And once the trust is built, you can have a long-term business with your customers. So they have many different product types. They have both digital and physical products, and some big merchants and some big names, Hayat and Etsy, AliExpress and HP computers, and different products are also there. These advertisers are present in their network, so it's a quite big network. Their cookie duration is set by the advertiser, and their payment rate is also dependent on the advertiser. Okay, it has some pros and cons. We'll first discuss the pros. They pay out twice per month, and $20 is the minimum, and they have some real-time reports. Their cons includes around that you have to be paying $5 in advance for the sign up, and accounts that do not get approved do not have $5 fee refunded. Okay, so they also have 900 staff in 15 offices around the globe, and they have very easy to use dashboard and lots of plugins available. Publishers and advertisers are heavily vetted, and they provide you real-time reports. So Evan is the best network. You can see that they have Etsy and many big brands, so you can join it quickly. We have provided the link. Now the second in our list is Skimlink. Okay, Skimlink works very similar to weak links, and it is designed for bloggers who do not want to do a lot of hands-on work to participate in an affiliate program. Skimlink also works in much like weak links, and it uses higher paying offers from merchants. They have some higher paying offers. Skimlinks works with over 24,000 merchants and advertisers, and Skimlink works with a wide range of products, but it is more heavily skewed towards physical items. So here you can actually promote physical products, and their cookie duration depends on the merchant from which merchant products you are promoting. It depends on that, and you can see that over 250 of their merchants preferred partner programs, and that means they offer up to 100% better commission. So you can actually build a relationship with the merchants in this platform as well, personal relationship. They have also some pros and cons. The pros consist of great customer service. They have email alerts for merchants you are favorited, and very simple integration into your existing website. They have powerful and easy to use interface. And their cons include that Skimlink is free to join, but they will take 25% of all commissions. Okay, so, and they pays only once a month, and it is somewhat some website load are more slowly after adding Skimlink's code. So the con is that it will make your website slow, but that's not a big deal, because once your customers and your visitors are coming in, and they actually have quality products, so people can wait for the quality. Okay, so that's the second website which I want to share with you. Now the third one is Trade Doubler. Trade Doubler is also a good website, and it's actually founded in 1999 by two Swedish entrepreneurs, and they have offices in the UK and multiple countries. Their focus has always been to provide smaller results for both clients and affiliates through technology. And in 18 years, they have amassed an army of around 180k active publishers, and they connect them to over 2,000 merchants in Europe, UK, and they are actually working with quite big brands as well. And all of these brands are some big names, household names, because people know. So they have some quality tools as well. You can promote their offers, because you can see these are some big brands, and you can join it. The link is provided in the description. Okay, the fourth in our list is WageLink, and WageLinks is also a great platform that is specifically designed for bloggers. Instead of they also work with many other affiliate marketers. If you have a YouTube channel or blog or social media influence, you can promote WageLink products. They also work with great brands, and product type they promote is primarily about selling physical products, but also does work with some digital products and services as well. And their average commission rate is CPC, CPA, or both CPA and CPC. The commission rates are set by the merchant. Okay, so to the merchant whose products you are promoting, they set the cookie duration and also the commission rate. They also have some pros and cons. Their pros include that it works well with websites, so that your website will not be slow by using their link, and it has a great powerful dashboard, and it's great for bloggers who want a more hands-off affiliate programs, and a good option for people banned from Amazon or other affiliate programs, because WageLink also has great brands, so that you can promote it quite easily, because with a big brand name or a quality product, you can actually build trust with your customers. And their cons are actually a few. You have to be approved by each merchant separately. That's a con. And they have a payout once a month. WageLink will take a healthy slice of your commissions income. So they will take a bit of percentage commission, 20 to 25%, and they pays out once a month, and every merchant will have to accept your offer separately. Okay, now the fifth one in our list is flex offers. It's quite a name that everyone knows about it. Now with the flex offer, you can promote flex offers around the globe, because they work. There are many products and services are available worldwide, and they pay a lot faster than others in industry, and it has more than 10 years of experience. And Flex offers connects bloggers, content creators, and other type of publishers with small, medium, and large budget advertisers and brands. So they have multiple variety of merchants actually and advertisers. The brands present here in this network are small, large, and also medium sized is also available. Flex offer has their own affiliate program. So when you promote Flex offer, it has actually two-tier system, means you are an affiliate to this program and someone else you promote this Flex offers, and he also became an affiliate to Flex offer with your link. So you can earn up to 50% of earnings they are generated, means they are generating, let's say, $100, so you can make up to $50 of their commission. Okay, 50% of their earnings, means they are earning 100 or 1000, so you can calculate it that you can make up to 50%. Okay, they also have some pros and cons, and the pros include that it has two tiers affiliate program. You can promote this to other affiliate marketers, and they have just one con, and you can see you can have a great dashboard, very great dashboard, and very easy to use dashboard, and active live reports, so you can check out which of your promotion is working or which one is not working. Their only con is that their payment option is only PayPal for the people based internationally outside US. So it's just a simple, a very small con, and otherwise Flex offers is great. Okay, now the last thing is, the famous affiliate networks like ClickBank, Max Bounty, and Max Bounty is the top because they also provide best products and services. So with respect to these five, you can also join Max Bounty, ClickBank, and CJ affiliate. Okay, and these are the other three bonus. So thank you so much if you watched till the end, and links are provided in the description, so check it out. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and we will see you soon. Okay, bye.